Hello, hello. How are you? I know, maybe home, maybe you are not working like I am. I mean, I'm not working, but I really hope that you are safe and healthy with your family. I think that's the most important. And it's a very bad time now, but we have to have a positive mind and we have to move on because we have two options as always. We can be sad or lazy, or we can be positive and stay strong. So, I have been at home, not working for a month, and I was like in a lazy or vacation mode. But I realized that this is the time when I can work my business because I used to work 6 days a week all day. And I just did my Avon business, for a few minutes every day. And it was very good. But I always wonder, what if I work my business like full time or, like really hard? I can see the potential. I am sure that I will have a lot more earnings. And I used to think that I wish I had the time. But now is the time. Now I can work on my Avon business like full time. And I think you can do that too. Because I've been surprised with my online orders. I've been receiving online orders more than ever before, and I thought that a lot of people is shopping online because they don't go out. So I have more customers online than ever. So I decided that starting today, I'm gonna work on my Avon business like hard. And I have a list of what I'm going to do. And I wanted to share it with you because I hope that you can find something that you can do as well. Because in the same way that others representatives are growing their business and they are very successful, I can do it and you can do it too. So I'm going to read it. I have 10 points, okay? So the first thing that I have been doing already is to send a group text to all of my contacts, sharing the link to my online store or to my brochure. So that's the first thing that I did. And this includes all the customers that maybe I didn't contact in the last months. Maybe they purchased from me like 5 years ago. Then this is bad. I never contacted them. So now is the time to contact all of my customers, send them a text, invite them to shop on, and include the link to my online store and brochure. So that's the first thing. I already did that, and I got some online orders. I will try. No, no. I will make a routine to send a text at least every campaign, which means every 2 weeks. Okay, so that's something that I have to do because, in this business, we need to be constant. If we do something today and then if we forget and we don't do it until next month, it doesn't work. We have to be constant. So I will send that text every 2 weeks. Okay, second, I will call all of my customers to ask them for their email and address. Um, I am actually considering in sending brochures using campaign mailer because I used to work, as I said before, full time, and I was so lucky because all my customers came to the store where I work and they picked up a book and then they picked up their order. So I was so lucky because I didn't have to deliver. But now the situation is different. So I'm gonna call all of I have almost 300 customers or customers information phone number, and I'm going to ask them for the email, because if we put the emails of our customers in our representative site, we can send them customized emails, and even Avon will sell them information about deals and special offers. But if we don't have the emails, we cannot do that. And I'm guilty because I only have their phone numbers. And again, they come to me to where I used to work, and now I need to contact them and ask them for the email. And this is going to be very, it's going to take a little time because I have a lot of customers, but I need to start and do it one by one, and also ask them for their address so I can mail them a brochure. So this is what I'm going to do with them. Okay, number 3, I'm going to ask all my social media contacts to share business page, and I'm going to commit myself to share theirs. Because, when we start our Facebook, for example, account, maybe we have 10 contacts, right? But then little by little, we go adding new customers. New friends. We call them friends, right? So after a while, okay, you cannot do this at the first time. If you add a friend, because you know that sometimes Facebook says, you may know this person, so you add her as a friend and she accepts the invitation. But you don't invite her immediately to shop your products or join your business, your team, because it doesn't work like that. So you have to create like a relationship first. And this means that you have to be posting and commenting in their post. And after a while, when you created a relationship, then you can, talk about your business in a very, easy way, not like a commercial. Okay. So I'm going to go one by one. I have several contacts in my Facebook page, for example, and I'm going to ask them to share my online store, but I'm going to ask them to, if they want me to share their business. You will see it later if you follow me in Facebook. In that way, they will be happy to help me because I'm going to help them. Actually, I have a lot more of ideas, but right now I'm talking about my social media contacts. And this works because, for example, the other day, yesterday or the day before yesterday, I was posting some of my pictures in Instagram. And the same day, a person said that she loved that product, blah, blah, blah. So to make a short story, I sent her a brochure Saturday, and she says she's going to order. So what I'm trying to say is that you create your relationships little by little, but it works because right now I have a new customer in Instagram because I show my post or my picture. So that's another thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to contact them one by one. Okay, I know this is a lot of work, but now we have time, or at least I have time because I'm not working. So I need to hustle. Okay, so what else? Number 4, I'm going to post constantly, but I'm going to put a face to the products. Because one of the things that I've learned with the social media training, when you do the training in your Avon representative site, and they say that when you are watching a movie, in the television, and then you have a commercial break, right? And you don't like that. Actually, you go to the bathroom and then you come back when the movie is on, right? So when you are posting online, on Facebook or on social media, if you only post the picture of the products, it's like you are watching TV and you are watching only commercial. Nobody likes that. They want the movie, right? So what I've been doing is trying to post a picture of me with the product. Just a picture and my comments. So that's the least I can do. post a picture of the product, but with me. So they know I am the representative, and if I put some comments, they feel more confident. And that's the way to do it. I'm sure you have seen those posts of influencers, trying to invite you to join their health group or their fitness group, and you like them because you watch them, right? Not only the commercial part. So that's what we have to do, put a face to our products. There is a lot of meaning in your representative site. You can go to social media, Avon Social, and you can learn how to do this. Okay, the same number. I'm gonna tell you the media that I use. I use, of course, Facebook, and I use Instagram. I'm recently using TikTok. This is super fun, but it is also for business. I've done one or two, and it's so fun. So try to use as many media as you can. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, okay, Twitter, Google. You can very easily create an account in Google. So when people browse Google, we all use Google, they can find you. All this takes time, but we need to start. I remember like a few years ago, and I watched one of the people that I follow, Avon representatives, and she used to say that she posts every day, very often in all the media. And she said it takes time. And I said, I want my sales now. I don't want them later. But anyway, I started a few years ago, and now I can see that people is finding me. It's when they go and browse for an Avon representative, they find me because I ask them. For example, if I have a new representative in my team, or if I have a new customer, I contact them and I ask, how did you find me? And they say, oh, I went to the internet and I looked for an Avon representative in Spanish, for example. And then I saw your YouTube channel. And I said, oh, okay, it's working. So we have to use all the media and be constant. Besides Google, you can also use LinkedIn, and you can do YouTube. I know it's kind of scary to do videos. Believe me, if you see the videos that I did at the beginning, they are awful, even now, but I still do them because, if everybody else can do it, why not me? Why not you? So do a video, upload it to YouTube, and then next time do another one and another one and another one, and you will get better. I know, believe me, it's scary because it's scary for me. I get nervous and I the way I talk. Sometimes I mix the words and I don't like it, but I still do it, and it's working. People is finding me. Especially when I do my videos in Spanish because I feel more comfortable. And when people who speak Spanish look in Google, they find me. So it works. We have to do it. I'm sorry, but we have to do it. Okay, what else you can do? You can join Facebook groups. There is a group for everything. If you are interested in plants, in fitness, in history, anything, there are groups for everything. So join the group, and normally the groups don't allow people to post about businesses, right? Those are the rules. But what you do is that you are part of the group and you try to post and comment, make comments in other people's posts, so they get to know you. That's the way that you make friends, right? So sometimes when you are in the group and somebody posts something and then you make a comment and that people like your comment, they by themselves ask for friendship in your regular wall, right? So that's the way you add friends to your personal account, not group. And then they will see that you are an Avon representative and they may ask by themselves. That's the way it will not post in the groups, but you get a lot more contacts. The important thing in social media, especially in Facebook, is to get contacts, more and more contacts. Because if you have only 10 contacts, 10 friends, and you keep posting just to the same 10 friends, it doesn't work. You need to add customers every time, one more friend, one more contact. You need to have like a lot of contacts, and that's the way to do it. You can go to the groups, be a part of the groups, make friends, and they will go to your personal account. Okay. There is a group that I use a lot, and actually I got a customer. It is called Nextdoor. I think that group runs nationally. It's not a group in Facebook, it's like a community group, and you can just browse Nextdoor and you can select the area that you want to receive notifications from, and you can that's what I do. I say that I live in Campbell Hall and that I am Avon representative. If they want a brochure, I can bring it to them. And that's how I got a customer recently. So that's another way. Okay, uh, we need to go live. I know it's hard, yeah, but that's the way people is doing it. It's incredible. I always get amazed when I see how other people, not only Avon, but people in general, they are getting like a lot of views and clicks because they go live. So again, maybe the first time is difficult. It is for me, but after you do it several times, it will be easier. I can promise you. So try to go live, even if it is for 5 minutes, and next time maybe 10 minutes, and you will get used to it. Okay, what else? Okay, this is the traditional, easiest, old way to do it. Put brochures everywhere. During these past weeks, I wasn't putting my brochures out because I was scared. I don't want to, to be in contact with anyone. But when I realized that I'm not coming back to work anymore, I don't have a job now. I said, I have to work my Avon business. So yesterday, Sunday, I had like 30 brochures only. So I said, you know what? I'm going out. And in an hour and a half, I put out around 30 brochures, which means I went to maybe 10 places, mostly laundromats because everything is closed, mostly laundromats and gas stations. They have a store. So I put the brochures, all of them, and I did a label that says in the front of the brochure, it says shop online, and then my online store and my phone number. That's it. Is maybe you cannot see it, but it's something like this. So I put that label in the front of the brochure, and in the back I just stamp the regular, my phone number and my name. And it was very nice because I went like 1 hour and a half, and then I came home, and maybe a couple of hours later, the owner of this laundromat called me and said that it was so funny because she was looking for a representative and she didn't know how to get one, and she wanted to place an order, and she gave me an order for $58, almost 60, but it was $58. And it's only in one day. So, of course, I was very careful. I went into the laundromat and came out and, sanitized my hands. But it was worth it because in just 1 hour and a half, I got one customer. So now I order a lot more brochures and I'm plan in hitting all the laundromats in this area and gas stations or any business that is open. So we have to do it because that's the way that we let people know that we're representatives. Even if you have old brochures, you can put them out. Don't throw them away. First, because it's money, and then they are like a business card. So even if they expire, they are very old, you can put them out. The thing here is to get calls, to get new customers. And when they call you, you will tell them that, oh, you know what, that's an old brochure, but where can I see you or where can I mail you one? So you have a new customer. We have to do that. That's the traditional way and it works. Okay, so that's about brochures. Okay, and another thing that I'm doing is that with the people that recently place an order, because I'm receiving several online orders, I am sending an envelope with a letter, thank you letter. I am sending a future brochure and a couple of samples. I intend to keep to be in close contact with them because they already ordered, so I want to keep them as customers. Okay, I am thinking, actually, I already talked to one in trading with businesses, but nothing that means money. I am talking to businesses to tell them that I will share I mentioned it before, right? That I will share their information and they can share mine. So that's another idea. There is this restaurant that I go often, and I already told them, and they said yes. Maybe we can, like, I can attach a flyer to my brochures. In that way, people who get my brochure will get their flyer, and I can give the restaurant my brochure so they give it to their customers. So I already talked to one and they said yes. So there's a lot of things that we can do. We just have to think and take action, right? Okay, number 9. I'm going to ask my current customers to give one of my brochures to their friends. What I do is that I give them two brochures, one for them, and I ask them if they can share the second one where they work. If they work at a hospital, for example, they can put it there in common areas, or they can just show it to their co-workers or their friends or their families. In that way, I share two brochures. And again, the thing here is to expand your net, to have more and more customers. Normally they say yes, and when they bring me orders from somebody they know, I give them a free product or a discount in their order. Or sometimes, for example, if they don't have an order of their own and they bring me somebody else order, what I do is I tell them, um, okay, this is your friend's order. The total is $100. It's an example, right? So, $10, $100 is for your customers, but you can give me just 80. So the 20 are for you. That's the way I work it. I give either 10 or 20%. It depends. It depends how many orders they bring me or how big is the order. Okay. Number 10. Do constant training. No. You know what? I forgot something very important and something amazing that I found just today. I cannot believe it. I've been a representative for 8 years, and just today I found something amazing. Okay, when you go, I'm sorry, I cannot say hi to you because this is my first live and I'm not used to read and think, you know. Anyway, what I found is that if you go to your representative site and then you go to edit or view your online store inside your representative site, Okay, so you go to edit, and there you will see like the icon of a like a pencil. That's the information that you can change, edit. But I found that there is a way that you can upload your own videos. And I tried and it works perfectly. This means that you can like really personalize your store because all of us, all the representatives, we have an online store which is exactly the same but with your name, but you can upload your picture. And I was looking for the blog part, but I didn't find it. I don't know if that's working or not, but I found this one that you can upload your videos. So I uploaded any random YouTube videos, my videos, and it's there. So you can really personalize your online store with your own videos. It was amazing for me. I don't know if you knew about this. Maybe you know. Anyway, so the last thing to do is to do constant training. I know I've been a representative for 8 years, and there is always something new to learn, always. So you can do Avon University. When you go to your representative site, on the top left part, it says Avon U, Avon University. Do the training. It will take a little time or a lot of time because there is a lot of information, but you can do 10 minutes a day. If you are not working, now we have time. So now is the time to do it. And the other thing that you can do is go to Avon Social and look for the icon. I think as it's at the bottom on the right side, and it says training. This is training specialized in social media. So do the training. And there is one more, and this is very, very good. When you go to your representative site and you go to manage business, and the train is passing by, I can see it through my window. Can you hear it? So go to manage business and click on business calendar, and you will find a whole month of webinars and information that you can access and do the training. Actually, I would like to invite you because this Wednesday in English is at noon. There is a webinar, and this is about going digital. So this is the one that we want. There is almost one seminar, webinar every day or every week or every other day, but this is very good because it's about going digital, about how to personalize the brochure, online brochure for your customers. And I think we're going to be able to choose like offers or promotional codes for our customers. So we're going to learn how to do that. I will be there. I hope you can take this training because we need to learn more and more about our business. Okay, so those are my 10 points that I'm going to be working on like crazy because this is the time to wrap up. We cannot stay, sad and thinking that I want my job back. No, we need to rise up. We need to work. We have the time if you're not working, of course. And that's what I'm going to do. And also, I'm going to be contacting you soon. I plan in calling each one of you little by little. But if you want, you can call me before I call you. I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, Nisha, Nurcia. Stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.